Thinking about replacing your sad green spaces with artificial turf? SD Premier Outdoor has you covered. We offer a range of high-quality turf options that mimic the look and feel of natural grass, providing a lush green lawn year-round. Artificial turf is not only incredibly low maintenance, eliminating the need for mowing, watering, and fertilizing, but it's also highly durable, making it perfect for San Diego's climate. Our professional installation ensures perfect drainage and a seamless fit, giving you a stunning, functional lawn that lasts. Whether you use it as a fun kids play area, a dog play area, or a beautiful putting green, we can make it happen. We can cover any space, any shape, any corner. With SD Premier Outdoor, you get expert craftsmanship and a beautiful, hassle-free lawn that stands up to all of life's activities. Transform your outdoor space today with the help of our skilled team and enjoy a vibrant, maintenance-free yard for years to come. SD Premier Outdoor, your San Diego outdoor design and construction experts.